Hi there! We are making Puri Wale Aloo ki sabzi that you'll be able to enjoy with puri or kachori. This quick and easy potato curry is spicy and can be made exactly to your taste. So, is it Puri Aloo special this weekend? Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For this recipe, I am using boiled potatoes. Say about 3 large, and all I am doing is crushing them slightly. Break them up. You don't want too large chunks. That's done. To make the spice mix for the gravy, in a small bowl, add in coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, amchur powder or dry mango powder, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add in a tiny bit of water and make a paste. Bit more water. And just keep it aside. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Temper it with 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, 3/4 teaspoon of Ajwain or caraway seeds, and cinnamon. Add in chopped green chilies according to taste. You could also add in red chilies, whole or split. I'll add in the spice paste and a teaspoon of grated ginger. The oil has already started to separate. So I'll add in some fresh tomato paste. I use 2 large tomatoes. The oil has started to float on top. I'll add in some chopped coriander stems or stalk, dhania danthal in Hindi. I'll use the leaves for later. That is coming along really well, and it's time to add in the potato. All of the boiled potatoes that I had chopped up. Season with a bit of black salt and a bit of regular salt. Mix well. Send me your feedback in the comments, and if you like the recipe, share it with your friends. And cook for a minute. If you see a very large piece, just break it up. Time to add in water. I like to wash the mixie jar in which I made the tomato paste. Mix it well. Let it cook. After simmering it for about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll find that the sauce has thickened. There's nothing much to cook here really. We just want the potatoes to disintegrate and the gravy to thicken. I'll add in about 1/4 teaspoon of powdered Kasuri Methi and about 1/2 teaspoon of Garam masala powder. Mix well and turn off the heat. That's done. Add in some whole or slit green chili according to your taste and cover it for about a minute. If only you could smell it right now. Sprinkle some chopped coriander on top. Right before you serve it. Serve it hot with luchi, puri or kachori. Enjoy!